Do you eat, sleep and play PUBG? Then this is the smartphone for you if you want to play PUBG all the time. This is the Vivo Z1 Pro. We've got the box. We're going to unbox it, show you all the contents inside. I'm going to take you through its aesthetics and technical specifications as well. Now this is the right time to press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. My name is Sulabh. You're watching Gadget Bridge. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so as you can see, that's the box of the Vivo Z1 Pro in front of you. It's a pretty neat box that they've designed this time. If you see on the sides, they've got the Vivo branding as well as the Club Open PUBG written as well. At the back, a couple of specifications are written, like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset is available inside. A 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging is also available inside. I'm just going to rip this case open and show you the contents inside. Before that, it is made in India. So let's go ahead and check the contents out. Right, so the Vivo Z1 Pro is open now. The box is ripped apart, and the first thing that I see inside is a case which has the clear cover inside. It's also got some product technical specification and warranty card information. I'm going to just keep it on the side here. The next layer has the phone. This is the unboxing of Vivo Z1 Pro, and we've got the smartphone in our hand. I'm just going to remove its plastics, turn it on and bring it back in like a moment's time. After that, we see a couple of stickers. Don't require that. Next layer has the fast charger. This is the 18 watt fast charger that is supplied with the Vivo Z1 Pro. Also inside the box you get a USB to micro USB charging cable. And the last thing inside the box is a pair of headphones. These are Vivo's own, so I'm guessing the sound should be pretty decent. With that, you also get a ring type SIM ejector tool. So that sums up the contents. That is what you get inside the box. Let me bring back the phone and I'll show you what it's made up of, and I'll take you through its technical specifications as well. Alright guys, so we've just unboxed the Vivo Z1 Pro. It looks astonishing. I mean, the designers have done a fabulous job with this device. This is the blue version that we have in our hands. It is a gradient blue which runs from a lighter teal blue to a darker blue, which is like an ink blue at the back. So let me go ahead and talk about the aesthetics first, and I'll take you through the technical specification afterwards. Up front, you get a large display with a punch hole camera system on top. Yes, this is Vivo's punch hole camera system smartphone in a budget segment, mid-budget segment that is. Underneath, you do see a bit of chin area, but not too much. It is almost edge-to-edge screen that you get. The ear speaker grill has been moved towards the top, and I'm guessing all the sensors are behind the screen now. On the right, you get the volume rockers and the power button. And on the left, you get a dedicated Google Assistant button with the nano SIM card slots. At the bottom, you get a 3.5mm audio port along with a primary microphone, a micro USB charging port, and a single speaker grill for loudspeaker. At the top, it is absolutely plain. Flip it around and you see an array of 3 cameras. Yes, this one has a triple camera sensor at the back. It is vertically placed, and underneath you get an LED flash as well. Next to it is the fingerprint scanner, and the Vivo branding can be found at the bottom of the back. Mirror finish back looks quite cool. It is plastic definitely, but nonetheless looks really cool. Now that's the form factor of the smartphone. Let me talk about the technical specification, and I'll show you a couple of camera samples as well. So before I talk about the feature set of the Vivo Z1 Pro, let me talk about the specifications. So under the hood, the processor inside is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 AIE. Now this is slightly better than the 710. It is available in 3 variations: 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and another one with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. By ROM, I mean storage. The Vivo Z1 Pro has a 6.53-inch display. Now this has a body to screen ratio of 90.77%, which is by far the largest that we have seen in the sub 20K mark. This is an FHD plus display. That means you get 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution. Now this is great for vivid and immersive experience that any gamer would want from its smartphone. The power is supplied by a 5000 mAh battery, which is supported by an 18 watt fast charger. Color options available for the Z1 Pro are Sonic Blue, Sonic Black and Mirror Black. The one you see in our hand is the Sonic Blue. Now to talk a little more about its feature sets, it's got a dedicated gaming mode inside. So in a budget, if you want to play games like PUBG, Asphalt 9, this is the smartphone that is going to give you killer performance. The rear cameras are powered by a triple AI camera setup, which will give you the best imagery as possible. We'll review that further and I'll tell you exactly how did they fare in a full review on gadgetbridge.com. The other USP about this smartphone is the 32 megapixel front selfie camera. Now this has a lot of modes from AI beauty, so you might want to experiment a little to get the perfect shot. Now to talk a little more about its battery, when fully charged you get 7.5 hours of PUBG gaming or 40 hours of calling. Now that is massive. The graphics are powered by Adreno 616 GPU that come on board the Qualcomm chipset. Like I said, the 712 chipset is slightly better than the 710. So what does it actually do? You get 10% overall performance boost over the 710 on the 712. Also 2 times AI performance. Another reason the gamers would love this device is because the Vivo Z1 Pro has 4D vibrations and 3D surround sound. The operating system that you get on the Vivo Z1 Pro is the Android 9 Pie version out of the box. This comes with the latest FunTouch OS skin on top of it. At the moment, because we are holding the 6 gigs RAM and 64 GB storage version, everything seems to be smooth. Swipe from bottom up to get all the shortcuts, and the notification center is from top to bottom. So yeah, you do not get an application drawer on this smartphone. However, you do see a lot of bloatware. And I'm not just talking about native stuff that you get from Android. You see things like Gaana, Daily Hunt, PhonePe, and all those apps that you really do not want on your smartphone. But other than that, the experience is top notch, everything is opening up smoothly, and this smartphone comes pre-installed with Facebook and WhatsApp too. So you do not need to download that at the time of first load. Right, so that sums up the cool features. Let me just open those rear cameras and show you a couple of camera shots in well-lit conditions indoors. So at the time of making this video, the final price of the Vivo Z1 Pro has not been out. I'll leave that in the description of this video. So why don't you go and check that out there itself. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Vivo Z1 Pro. I hope you did like the video. If you did, please tell us in the comments as well. Also press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. There is a neat little giveaway running on our Instagram and Twitter pages. Why don't you go and participate and win that giveaway. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.